Goodbye, Mother. I'm off to go pick up thing number 1 from school. Then I'm gonna buy some compression shirts. And then I'm gonna buy some belts and some candy. And then I'll be home to make some chicky salad. I just looked at the doorbell thingy and it didn't record. How dare it? Goodbye!
It's just, your mother's here. Mommy's home. Mommy's home.
Open up, it's FBI. I got the SWATs with me. They ain't come out yet. I'm just trying to be nice. So open the door, or the feds be here out watching you. Come to the door. Did you forget that I was FBI in California now?